Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to insert emoji snippets inside your source code in VS Code IDE. So sometimes you do need to insert some emojis. So for this we have some extensions that you can install. So just go to the extensions tab and just type here emoji, and if you type this, quite a number of extensions will pop in. You can select from these extensions, but I personally like this extensions a lot, which is having this plugin to insert emoji from the command palette. So you first of all activate this extension. So after activating it, go to the source code where you need to insert the emoji and simply open the command palette, Control Shift P, and then type here emoji, insert emoji. So after that you can select the emoji name. Here you can select from these series of emojis like this. If you want to select any kind of flag here that you want to insert, so like this you can insert this. So it has a series of emojis, you can see that in the drop down. This is a heart emoji, you will see automatically it will insert this. So you can either go to Control Shift P, or you can simply open command palette and simply say insert emoji. So here you can select from a series of emojis which are there. So you can see how easy it is. So if you just want to copy this, paste it. So this can be anything. It can be a sad emoji as well. So from the drop down you can select your favorite emoji. Here you can see mobile phone as well, vibration, postal. You can even search here, which is mobile. So this is an extension which lets you do this, and also some more extensions are also there. You can try these, but I personally like this one, so that's why. So you can do this. Thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.